Arena. Final 3 minutes of our first game ngayong Lunes. Degamo.
First 2 points.
Rebound nakuha din Degamo. Ramos. Motra back to Emeterio. Skip pass to Degamo. Steal. But he ran out of space. Ito si Fuentes.
Valenzuela, no? Mamaya. Maraming mga bagong mukha at yun. Yung nabanggit natin kanina na dating Bacolod player.
Melencio.
Melencio. Debut niya yan, no? Itong second game na ba?
I don't think he's playing tonight. I heard.
Okay.
But they're coming off a memory.
Right.
With Jay Collado, who was also named Player of the Week, by the way,
Yeah.
MPBL. And isa yan sa mga pinakamahirap na award na makuha dahil na it was a big week, a lot of big games.
Right.
Including the
San Juan
Caloocan game. So, pag nakuha mo yun, medyo exceptional yung pinakita mo.
Oo.
This free throw is brought to Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
Well, kung wala man si Melencio, yun nga, no? Nandyan si CJ Alatica. Posible rin si Destacamento na nirelease ng Sarangani.
Leading shot blocker of the league, by the way.
Yeah.
Si King Destacamento.
And then yung nirelease naman nila, nag-game winner nung isang gabi, si Val Chauca.
Oo nga.
Top scored pa
Dindi
para
din.
sa Quezon City. Nung kalaban ng Basilan, mamaya, bounce back game sa kanila yun. Dito rin nangyari yun nung isang araw last week.
Well, by the way, si Jason Apolonio has gone back to the bench. Finishes with 20 points and 10 rebounds.
Double-double.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Jason, what a performance para sa'yo. Pero mas mataas ang triple-double kesa sa double-double.
Alvin Motra.
Jim Miranda.
Darbin. Nails the tray. 3-pointer galing kay Darbin. Balik sa laro si Rex Ramos. Let's see if he can come up with something here.
Well, dalawa na lang ang pinag-uusapan dito eh. Final score, obviously. And increase of individual averages.
Cervantes, good line. No. Degamo. Inside. Nakakuha pa siya ng foul.
Natawag ko sa mga laro ganito para sa mga players. Game booster.
Pampakumpensa.
Hindi. Tataas yung ano mo eh.
Average mo?
Yung average mo eh.
Alam mo, ako hindi ko ginagamit yung mga ganun na, yung malaki laman. Ginagamit yun. Kasi...
Pero kasama siya sa win-loss column.
Kaya nga, pero hindi ko siya ginagamit pang ano ng stats.
Wow. Exception.
Parang totoo eh, no? Darbin fires another 3. Masyado malakas. Ramos gets it to Emeterio. The sidestep 3. Ayaw. Degamo with the rebound.
Nice.
Isa pa.
Basic na basic. No way rebound. Dalawang kamay. Pagbaba. Drop step move for the finish.
Darbin makes his move. Fade away. Emiterio, short on the 3. He was looking for Degamo underneath. "20 seconds ang natitira. All over but the final score. And we do have a good game in the next one.
Yes.
South Division showdown between Basilan and Jensan. Been a bit of a struggle of late with Basilan, who are now 5-7, but the Mekawayan Marilao Gems bounce back from that loss to Abra over the weekend. They take an 88-4. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. A triple-double performance galing kay AJ Miranda on deadline day. He finishes with 23 points, 10 rebounds, and 13 assists. AJ Miranda leading the way. Just about ready.
Siyempre, galing kami sa talo last game. So, need lang namin bumawi. And ayun, sinigay lang namin yung best namin.
Ejam, napag-usapan mo, no, na test talaga kayo dun sa Abra game na yon, pero nakita ko nagpalaki rin kayo. Nandiyan na si Kanyal, si Vince Tolentino, linalaban niya talaga yung katawan niya. Pag kailangan, nakita ko rin dito sa court.